Welcome to Cryfonex, your source for fast, reliable, and hype-free crypto news. In today's update, Bitcoin rallies past 109K, Ethereum tests a critical resistance, XRP teeters near support as regulatory pressure mounts, and Tether reveals its global playbook. Let's dive in. Bitcoin climbed 1.4% over the past day to trade above $109,600 during early Asian hours on May 26th. This rise follows a week of volatility that saw BTC hit a record $111,814 before dropping to $107,500. The rebound comes as U.S. President Donald Trump extended the June 1st deadline for 50% tariffs on EU goods, now postponed to July 9th. The easing tensions lifted sentiment across global markets. Derivatives data from CoinGlass shows open interest rose 2.59% to $76.66 billion, with a 10.85% jump in trading volume. Rising derivatives activity typically signals increasing trader confidence and anticipation of volatility, with equity markets also responding positively. Bitcoin's status as a speculative risk asset appears to have benefited. Ethereum is up over 40% in the last month and recently reclaimed the $2,500 level. However, resistance at $2,800 is drawing attention. Glassnode notes many holders bought at this level and may be looking to exit at break-even, increasing sell pressure. On-chain indicators and futures data from Sentiment show bearish signs, including a declining taker-buy-sell ratio and a bearish MACD crossover. Technically, Ethereum remains above key moving averages, but Bollinger Bands are tightening, indicating reduced volatility. If ETH breaks $2,800, it could race to $3,000, especially with the SEC's Ethereum ETF staking decision due June 1st. A rejection could push ETH back toward $2,200. XRP continues to trade near its 50-day moving average at 234, stuck in a tight range between 229 and 247. Speculative interest is climbing ahead of the SEC's closed-door meeting on May 29th. Derivatives volume rose nearly 26% to $314 billion, while spot volume surged to $186 billion. The meeting could reignite settlement talks after Judge Analisa Torres rejected the SEC's request to change her ruling and reduce Ripple's $125 million fine. If a breakthrough occurs, XRP may reclaim the 265 mark. If support at 229 fails, the next stop could be 220. Technically, momentum indicators are mixed, but the tightening Bollinger Bands hint at an imminent breakout. Despite progress on stablecoin regulation in the U.S., Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino says the U.S. is not a key market for the company. Speaking to Bloomberg, he emphasized Tether's focus remains on foreign markets. The Genius Act, a Senate bill proposing new rules for stablecoins, advanced on Capitol Hill but has yet to be finalized. Tether's reserves are now managed by Cantor Fitzgerald, and Ardoino claims compliance is possible while still operating internationally. With more payment options available in the U.S., Tether sees greater utility abroad, especially in emerging markets where crypto-based payments are more widely used. Bitcoin's bounce, Ethereum's resistance, XRP's regulatory suspense, and Tether's international stance. The crypto space is buzzing with energy. Which of these stories do you think will have the biggest impact this week? Let us know in the comments. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.